Today, I'm showing you how to check and install security updates and patches on your phone. These updates close vulnerabilities, protect your data, and fix bugs that hackers can exploit. So if your phone has ever acted strange, apps crashing, Bluetooth dropping, slow performance, sometimes a security patch fixes it. Let's get to it. So on Galaxy phones like this S25 Ultra, you open settings, and you scroll down to software updates. Software updates. This one. You scroll down to software updates, and you tap scroll down and tap download and install. Okay, you choose download and install. This one, you tap here. Your phone will check for latest security patch. If there is an update, you tap to install now. As you can see, mine is up to date. Okay, you can also go back and you toggle on auto download. Touch this. So you can choose to download over using Wi-Fi only, or using Wi-Fi and mobile data, so your device stays protected without you lifting a finger. Okay, so Samsung monthly patches fix things like Wi-Fi vulnerabilities, Bluetooth exploits, and app permission leaks. So if you use banking apps or you store passwords, these patches are your first line of defense. Now, for other phones, if you use other Android phones like Tecno, Infinix, OnePlus, here is what to look. This is where to look on most modern phones. So, like on Tecno, you go to settings and you scroll to system and you tap system updates and you tap check for all the updates, and then download and install. If you use OnePlus phones, you go to settings and you go to about device and you tap Oxygen OS or maybe Oxygen version and you tap check for updates. All right, on Google Pixel, you open settings and you tap security and you tap security updates and you tap check for updates. And on Motorola, you open settings and then system and then advanced and then system updates. So Android brands release patches that fix camera vulnerabilities, lock screen bypass glitches, and malware entry points. So keeping this updated protects your phone from spyware and fake apps. Now for iPhone users, you're covered too. You go to settings and you go to general and you tap software updates and you tap updates now. For automatic updates, tap automatic updates and turn everything on. So Apple pushes patches for Safari exploits, iMessage vulnerabilities, and apps that might try to access data without permission. So why this matters? Your phone runs your life: banking, messages, password, business accounts, photos, and social media. Hackers don't need physical access to your phone. They target outdated systems. So a 60-second update can prevent a full data breach. So updates regularly, stay protected, and your phone will run smoother. Like and follow for more practical smartphone tutorials.